Today, my cat Bella got outside. Before I could catch her, she spotted a squirrel and chased it all the way up a giant cedar tree. The squirrel was a much better climber than my cat and easily escaped her reach, and Bella realized she didn't know how to get back down from the tree. The branch Bella was on was 12 feet straight up the trunk. There is a 4-foot circle of mud around the trunk, so a ladder would need to be 5 feet away from the tree. My neighbor let me borrow one of her ladders. She has a great collection of ladders, all different heights. But how would I know which one will reach my cat? I noticed that the angle created by the tree trunk and the ground was a right angle, or an angle that measures 90 degrees. Because of this, I knew that if I were to lean a ladder against the tree, the ladder, the trunk, and the ground would create a right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle that has an interior angle that measures 90 degrees. In a right triangle, the side opposite of the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Around 550 before Common Era, a Greek mathematician named Pythagoras discovered a relationship between the legs of a right triangle. Side A, B, and the hypotenuse, C. Pythagoras found that if you take side A squared plus B squared, it's equal to side C squared. We can double check just to make sure it works. There's A squared plus B squared equals C squared. This formula is called the Pythagorean Theorem, and it's true for all right triangles, no matter their size. But how does this help Bella get down from the tree?
Since we know the sides A and B, all we have to do is apply the Pythagorean theorem to find side C. And this will tell us how high our ladder needs to reach. So, 12 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. Or 12 times 12 is 144 plus 5 times 5 is 25 equals, add those together and you get 169. Let's remember though that this number represents the entire square of side C. So to find one side of a square, we'll take the square root. And the square root of 169 is 13, which means that our side C equals 13 feet. So thanks to Pythagoras and the Pythagorean theorem, I was able to borrow a 13-foot ladder and help Bella down from the tree.